Hey, QuickBook users, financial wizards, welcome back to our channel, and in today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of split transactions in QuickBooks Online. It is an essential skill for managing complex expenses and income. So before we get started, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures, and it keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, all of you guys. We appreciate your ongoing support and cannot wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Now, before we get to the action, I just wanted to make sure that the reasons splitting a transaction in QuickBooks offers a versatile advantages is that it basically helps you accurately track and categorize expenses. It allows you to allocate expenses to specific accounts, categories, or projects, providing a detailed breakdown of your spending. So, in summary, it is helpful for businesses that receives payments for multiple projects, products, or services in single transactions, right? So, splitting transactions is essentially good for job costing, project tracking, because it ensures that you have a clear understanding of your project profitability. Now, um, most of the time, you can generate reports that reflects the precise distribution of expenses and income across different accounts and categories. And it helps you identify and allocate that tax deductible expenses, ensuring that you claim all eligible deductions and minimize tax liability. Now, you can easily bill clients for specific expenses related to their projects or services. Let's say, for example, when a single payment to a vendor covers multiple invoices or expenses, splitting the transaction allows you to allocate the payment to the appropriate invoices or expenses category. So it is a viable and necessary tool to make the transaction smooth and very efficient. Now, as we hover to our interface here, you'll be navigating. If you are using the same version that I am, you'll be navigating in this section where it says banking. You click in banking, right? But first, let me remind you that you have to log into your QuickBooks online account with your credentials, and if you don't have one, just create. It's very easy, simple, and fast. And after that, when you log in with your credentials, since this is not a live account, we have a limited options here. But once inside, you navigate to the banking section where all your financial transactions reside. And we can see it here because this is a dummy and training account only. But once you locate your transaction you want to split, click it on the open details. Say, for example, just preview that this is where you find the transaction. So when you click to split, to break it down into multiple categories and accounts, it is a perfect way for expenses that involves multiple categories or clients, such as this one. So let's say this is the split transaction form. You can allocate amounts here, the rate, the quantity, and the appropriate categories, the products and services. And you have to ensure the total split amounts match the original transaction amount. You have to be attentive on that. And once you've allocated all the amounts and added the descriptions, just click here, save and close. You can also add some personalized message here and attach some files here. And then after that, once you are sure of all the information that was given on the dashboard, and there you have it, guys. See, mastering split transactions in QuickBooks Online is as easy as that. It's a handy tool, really for managing complex financial records with precision. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks and financial management tips. If you have questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below because I read all of them. And until next time, may your financial records be as clear as day, and happy bookkeeping. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.